What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be working on my 2019 RZR XP Turbo. Let me cut this light on in here, maybe it'll help out a little bit. Still need to get some LEDs in here, but today what we got to do is I have the fang lights that come from the Turbo S going to go in the grill and take place of the blue inserts, which I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks dark on the camera, but it might not be. There we go. So it'll take place of the blue inserts in the grill, which will look really, really cool. Like I said, we got fang lights here. So anyways, guys, I'm going to pull this grill out and get to taking these. I guess these are just like little fang covers. I'm going to take them out and yeah, install these fang lights. And I'll show you guys how to do everything. So let me get all my tools and I'll get ready. All right, guys, so your first step is what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your center grill out, which is pretty easy. There's two little tabs up top. All you got to do is pull down on both of those tabs. I'm trying to do it with one hand here, and your grill will pop right out. Pull it up, set that aside. If you look inside here, you're going to have one, there's going to be another one right here, 2 and 3. Take those loose. I think they're like 10 millimeters or whatever. Just use like a little wrench is what I'm going to do. Right here, you're going to have your harness. If you guys can see that, there's a harness right here. And it's right over here somewhere. I'll probably have to move this to get to it, but it's taped up back there. So you'll just cut that, move this part of the harness forward, and that's going to be the part that's going to plug into your fang lights, which are right here. So it's going to plug into there, and these are this is your right side and this is your left side. So pretty simple. So let me take these out and I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like. All right, guys, get the fang lights installed. Pretty simple, as I said. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to install the grill back in, which is pretty easy. You just make it sure it goes in the hole, put it forward, and bam, just like that, you have the Turbo S fang lights installed. It's a pretty simple install. It's nothing difficult. Your wiring harness is tied up over here on this side, and then if you look in here, it was tied up right above the shock. So pretty simple, and it makes it look really, really cool. So let me turn them on for you guys. Oh yeah, pretty freaking bright too. Really bright. They look good. I like them. LEDs, and they look awesome when you get the headlights on too. Oh yeah, that thing looks mean now. Woo! I like that. That looks sweet. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. It's pretty simple install, nothing to it. And they stay on with your headlights until your headlights go off. So once you cut the key off, they stay on. And let's see if they go off. So I think they're on the same timer as the headlights, so they go off same time, which is I think 15 to 20 seconds after the key shut off. So it doesn't really take that long. Yep. That's awesome. I like it. So eventually I may get the tail light, but the tail light I don't really care for. I mean, I actually like the blue in the back, but I don't know. I may end up getting tail lights. I just really like the fang lights, and it looks sweet when they come down the trail and they got the fang lights in there. So yeah, that's kind of really what I wanted. Anyways, guys, I like it. Looks sweet. Simple install. Like I said, I got these things for like 80 bucks on eBay, or like 70 bucks. Like I said, they're not expensive. All the 1000s, the turbos and all that, they're already pre-wired for them, so it's just kind of plug and play. Put them in, take your factory ones out, and that's what it looks like. And it's just got like little things, and so they went there. So these do look good. They make the front end look cool, but the fang lights look even better like at night and stuff. So pretty easy mod. Like I said, looks cool. Anyways, makes the RZR, I mean, from a distance, they look like a Turbo S. Still not a Turbo S, but still is cool in my opinion. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please hit that like button. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, please subscribe. Peace.